Good girls. Let's make biryani today. Something special.
Wonderful idea. I'll get the best ingredients from market.
We need basmati rice, fresh chicken, yogurt and all the spices.
I'll get everything fresh.
Namaste, Raj.
Namaste.
Fresh vegetables. Best quality rice.
Best aged basmati. Perfect for biryani.
Show me your finest quality.
Perfect. I'll take 2 kilos. Fresh chicken. Just this morning.
That one looks perfect.
Thank you.
Fresh red chili. Pure turmeric. Special garam masala.
Excellent quality.
Fresh yogurt made this morning.
Perfect for biryani.
Good shopping, Raj.
Yes, making special biryani.
You're back. Did you get everything?
The finest quality of everything.
Perfect rice. These spices smell wonderful. Smells good already. The aroma is amazing. The whole village will smell this. Now it needs time to cook. We need the water ready for rice. Perfect.
Can I taste?
Not yet. Wait for the final dish. Just 70% cooked. Perfect for layering. Careful, it's hot. Now for the final touch tile, saffron and ghee.
Good seal.
Perfect. Now it will cook in its own steam. Did you see how calm the village is becoming?
Yes, it's so peaceful as the sun sets.
It's ready! Finally! I can't wait!
Look at this.
The aroma is incredible.
Perfect layers. It looks beautiful.
Perfect presentation. Raj, come, everything is ready.
Coming. This looks amazing. You've made it so special.
This biryani is made with... This is absolutely perfect.
Really? You like it?
Like it.